Hi everyone, this is Hannah and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we've seen a lot of videos on how to apply makeup and what are the best products to use, but in the end of the day, the most important part is actually removing all of them. So today I'm going to show you guys how I remove my makeup and what is my skincare routine afterwards. Last year I already made my skincare routine, but today I'm going to show you guys the upgraded version. It's just because I was not able to buy some of the products that I previously used here in Boracay. So I used alternative products and so far they are working out well for my skin. Just a disclaimer, just because these products work well for my skin doesn't entirely mean they will do the same thing with yours. Because as we all know, like opinions, our skin varies. I'm already wearing a full face makeup and this is my usual look when I go to work. I'm going to remove my makeup first and then afterwards my skincare routine. So I'm really excited and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Mwah! Hi again everyone! So we're gonna start off by removing my makeup. First, I'm going to put this headband on para hindi sagabal yung mga bangs ko dyan. So what I use to remove my makeup is, tada! Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Cleansing Water. So I have two. The pink one is for sensitive skin and this one is for oily and acne prone skin. Just gonna dab a few drops in this cotton ball. And then this one. And then, ipupunas ko na siya sa face ko. I like to start off all over my face first before yung mga kilay, tsaka yung lips. It's because kahit hindi oily yung product, yung lipstick tsaka yung gel brow, oily siya. So, magiging makalat. Para safe na lang, yung face na lang muna. Beyond the shores, there is something. And one of the reasons why gustong-gusto ko to yung Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Cleansing Water is because hindi siya oily. Unlike other makeup removers na mamantika, tsaka nag-iiwan pa ng residue sa face mo. Look at this. Yan. Same process. Gosh, makita niyo kung ano yung itsura ko, kung wala akong kilay. Ta-da! No kilay, but I'm proud because the aloe vera gel is working perfectly. So if you guys want to know how I was able to achieve thicker brows, I just use the aloe vera soothing gel. Diba? Ang putla-putla ko, guys. Nagpa-foundation nga ako ng a tone darker than my shade para hindi ako maputla. Pero, meron akong pimple dito kasi palagi na yung period ko and dito palagi tumutubo yung tagyawat ko. Ayun na sa ibang place. Diyan na lang gusto niya. Okay, so ganun lang talaga guys. That's how I remove my makeup. The reason why I add my skincare routine is because yun lang yung process ko kung paano tanggalin yung makeup ko. Kaya para mas mapahaba-haba pa yung video na to. Okay, so that's my process on how I remove my makeup. Next up, I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine. What I use is this Laneige Cleansing Moist Cream Cleanser. Okay, so basa na yung face ko. And then next, we're just gonna squeeze a few. Yes. Come follow me to a secret place. I really like this product because one thing, it's also not oily. And afterwards, kapag maghilamos ka na, napaka-fresh ang feeling. I'm done using the Moist Cream Cleanser. This time, I'm going to use an exfoliant on my skin. So far, this product has been working really great with my skin. Example, this pimple was actually bigger before and I had tons all over my face. But when I used this product, it just disappeared like magic. I also have seen a lot of great reviews about this product. And what I'm talking about is, ta-da! This one. Ives Acne Control Oil-Free Salicylic Acid Acne Medication Apricot Scrub. Okay, so it's made with 100% natural exfoliant. I'm gonna put this on my skin. Okay, but first, I need to damp my skin again. Napakaganda sa feeling na sinascrub mo siya sa face kasi meron nga siyang apricot particles na nag-exfoliate ng skin. So, may nakita ba kayong difference sa skin tone ko. Parang, ang puti-puti ko naman. Parang kulay ko na yung pader. Done putting on the exfoliant, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse. Okay, so I'm done washing my face. Kapag magpupunas kayo ng face nyo, dab-dab lang kayo ng ganito. Huwag nyo siyang iganon. Kasi what I learned is, madadamage daw yung skin kapag ginaganon mo yung way na pagpunas. So, mas better if yung parang baby na ginaganito, ganito. You can only feel my face right now. It's really smooth and soft. Okay, so I'm done washing my face with the Laneige Moist Cream Cleanser and the St. Ives Acne Control Exfoliant. Next up, I'm going to use the Lux Organic Soothing Gel. Kumapal yung mga kilay nyo, iganyan nyo yung kilay. So, usually, that's it for my skincare routine after washing my face with a cleanser, then exfoliate ko siya, and topping it off with a soothing gel. So, recently, I tried this Laneige Perfect Renew Trial Kit, and so far, my skin has been reacting positively with it, and it contains 5 items. We're gonna put the Laneige Perfect Renew Skin Refiner first. Then afterwards, the Regenerator. I really like this one because it has a tube applicator. Apply a few here on this, all over your face. Next up is the Emulsion. Okay, likewise, just dab a few. So, I don't really use this product often kasi tinitipid ko siya. Kasi maliit nga lang siya, trial kit. So, I'm planning to buy the big ones when I go back to Iloilo if I have time. And nakaka-fresh siya sa face, hindi siya oily. Next up is the eye cream. So, you apply it underneath your eyes and on your eyelids. Daming arte, no? Pero minsan, to be honest, guys, kapag tinatamad na ako, naghihilamos na lang ako, tsaka aloe vera. Yan na lang, wala na. Nakakatamad kasi. But, you want to. Next, last but not the least, the cream. Alright, so after that, of course, hindi lang yung face yung kailangan na i-maintain. Also, our lips. What I'm gonna use is this Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. Okay, so para fresh din yung lips natin. If you notice, I'm using a lot of Laneige Korean products. I have read a lot of good reviews about this product. I thought of trying it for myself so I can also attest to those good reviews. And so far, it's working great. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys were able to pick up a lesson or two on how to remove your makeup. Hope you guys also get to try these products that I have been using for my skincare routine. So if you have any other suggestions on what videos I should be doing next, feel free to comment down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, you guys, and I hope you have a good day.